Hibernate Session update method. 1. The update method is used to modify the values of records in a database that are already persistent by updating an entity using its unique identifier. 2. It will throw an exception if the identifier is missing, doesn't exist, or if we pass it as a transient entity. 3. This method transitions the passed object from a detached to persistent state. Please refer to the example code snippet. Note, JPA will not support the third point. 4. This update operation adds the entity object to persistent context and further changes are tracked and saved when transaction is committed. 5. The return type of this method is void, so it will not return anything. There are two different ways to use update method. 1. Loading an object from the database. 2. Without loading an object from the database. Next, the first way. Loading an object from the database to update a record in the database. We should get that record and manipulate and save it to the database. Please see the full example for this method. Note, a problem with this approach is we must set all the properties of an object. If we don't set any one of the property, then its default values, null, will be updated in the database. Next, the second way. If we know the record ID, primary key, or unique identifier of the record, we can directly update the record in the database without load or getting the record from the database. We can directly create a new object with the new values to the properties and assign the primary key to it and save using update method. Please see the full example for this approach. Note, the approach do not put the result in the separate product instance variable, because the update takes place on the original product instance itself. Please refer to the key points. Thank you for watching this video and please support our channel. Good luck.